Welcome back to Gourmet Leftovers. Today we're going to be making a deluxe Denver breakfast wrap. So we're going to raid the fridge for some leftovers. I got some leftover Italian sausage and some leftover maple ham. You can click the cards in the top corner to see recipes with those two items. And we're just going to dice them up and throw them in a bowl. And to that, we're going to add some diced peppers and some diced onions, and then 2 or 3 eggs. This is going to make enough to do about 3 or 4 wraps. So on medium-low heat, you're going to have a lightly greased pan. Throw that egg mixture in there and let it cook nice and slow. You don't want to burn your eggs. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. So now we're going to build our wraps. Take a nice warm flour tortilla, throw in some cheddar cheese, and then cut a piece of that egg mixture to fit your wrap. You don't want to make it too big because it'll be really hard to wrap. And then a little bit of mayonnaise in there. And some tomatoes and some salad. Really brightens up the wrap a lot. Yes, you can do salad with breakfast. And then you just want to pick it, cut it, and serve it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Why don't you check out some of the other ones we got on the channel. Thanks, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.